Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, power off the X1 and wait 30 seconds to fully discharge capacitors. This prevents false triggers. Next, confirm firmware version and note the current trigger behavior so you can verify success later. Remove the access panel using a Phillips #0, keep screws in one place. Once open, visually inspect the trigger assembly for debris or bent contacts and gently clean with a dry cloth. These first moves set the stage. Do them deliberately and avoid rushing. With the panel off, disconnect the battery and isolate the main bus. This prevents shorts while you work. You now remove the trigger module bolts and examine the switch assembly. Use a multimeter to verify continuity across the switch when actuated. If contacts are fouled or springs are deformed, replace with OEM parts. This preserves calibration and longevity. While reassembling, make sure contact orientation matches your notes. Once aligned, finger tighten, then torque to spec to avoid warping. Reinstall the trigger module and tighten fasteners to spec. Reconnect the battery and boot the X1. You will run the factory trigger calibration routine, follow prompts to set range and deadband, because calibration aligns mechanical parts with firmware interpretation. Test the trigger across 5 cycles, logging actuation values and comparing them to your recorded baseline. If results deviate, perform a soft reset. If problems persist, swap in a known good trigger module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.